go. Just a slight deviation. And knock that corner out. Okay, so I know this, or know of this cat, Mark Scrap Daddy Bradford, Houston artist, Houston car show cat, makes all these big killer dinosaurs, everything, and you know, the dude's like Superman in metalwork.
Oh yeah.
You can see up there, man, I've had a Scrap Daddy symbol on the moon for 3 nights as I've worked on trying to sculpt this damn metal, and I don't know what I'm doing. And I was under the impression that, you know, he would come flying from the sky saying, "Have no fear, Scrap Daddy's here," but I have yet to see him, so maybe he's on vacation. Anyway, yeah, I really could use some knowledge and some help. This is quite frustrating to try to get. And I know that camera's just probably making you sick, but it's quite frustrating trying to make this, not only make this stuff here fit, you know, but trying to cut and grind, you know, these radiuses in this metal, man. You know, so when I cut it with a very awesome and new DeWalt jigsaw, you know, my cuts wasn't perfect, so I'm trying to grind that smooth radius. There's got to be a better way. I've already taken my grinder apart.
Oh no.
Bench grinder, so I can grind on the wheel this way instead of trying to grind this way. And it's done a lot better, but it's not too safe. Not that I'm really in it for the safety. As you can tell, I'm wearing shorts and flip-flops almost, man, while I'm welding. But anyway, I got those two fit, and I'm gonna knock this side out here pretty quick. If I get him done soon enough, I may start working on the ones for the bottom down here. Look out, Gusset Brown. There's a Gusset in town. Ooh-wee, baby. That looks good. Here it comes, baby. We're getting closer. I've got that addictive personality where there's never, there's always something else you can weld on, add to. So, we've got our gussets in. They're looking pretty good. Got all the round top. November 11th to the 13th. 2550 South State Highway 237 in Round Top, Texas. I will be there, Lord willing. Jesus Christ, it's 4 o'clock in the morning again. Dog, why didn't you tell me it was 4? Why didn't you come tell me I was... Man.
Oh my God.
If you don't have thumbs, doesn't mean you don't have to do something around here. All right, man. Wow, another long night, but extremely productive.